Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming service and gathering essentials: phone number, account PIN, and a stable network. Once done, open the voicemail app or dial the provider code. This is the gateway to setup. You need access to account settings because the system will ask for a new PIN and greeting. Make sure to note any carrier prompts, since they guide which options you configure first. Don't skip PIN creation. It secures messages and enables advanced features like remote access. Next, set a secure PIN and record your greeting. You choose a 4-6-digit PIN, pick something memorable but not obvious. Then record a clear greeting. Say your name and a brief instruction because callers respond better to specific directions. Once you save, test by leaving a message from another phone to confirm audio quality. If available, enable visual voicemail or transcription. These features speed message triage and let you read content without listening, which is Finish by thoroughly testing the voicemail flow. Leave a message, retrieve it, and delete it to ensure controls work. If notifications don't arrive, verify app permissions and cellular data. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking alerts. Once done, refine your greeting or reset the PIN for clarity and security. If problems persist, reboot the phone, confirm the account is active, and contact your carrier for server-side issues. This often resolves provisioning or routing faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.